So hi, this is Lakshmi Prasad from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So one of our student got placed. She is going to share her experience.
Okay, this is SHILPA. I am a PySpiders student. I joined this course in the month of April. In first courses, I joined the SQL. It is taken by Vatsal. Really, his way of teaching, along with teaching, he shares his experience when he was a student. That is really helpful to us to work more. And coming to the Python, actually I am from non-IT background. Initial days I didn't have any knowledge on coding, but now I am good in coding. I crack any interviews because of Lakshmi Prasad sir. I am always grateful to Lakshmi Prasad sir. Rather than trainer, he is also a good friend with us, and whenever we ask any question, he friendly reply to all the students. And
So which are all the activities got helped to crack interviews?
Sir, first one is boot camp. Sir, in boot camp we done a presentation that is really helpful to improve our communication and confidence. One more, you ask a daily question based on the previous topics. It is really helpful to remember all the topics. And one more is mock interviews. We always feel it is like a real interviews. We get a felt like this. That is, all those things really helpful to crack the interview.
Okay, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.